Yo! So I'm working on the D150 and was changing the oil the other day and showing the kid how to, you know, grease the ball joints and tie rods and all that garbage. And there's a clunking in the front end, and you know, most of you guys know what that means. The problem is with those first gens is the sway bar links are like unobtainium. And I've seen online where people use like Toyota stuff or Toyota Tacoma stuff or whatever. They just don't look right. And I've seen mixed reviews on it. No personal experience, so I can't speak to it. But found this guy that looks like he's remaking what looks to be like original parts. So which they're not, but you know what I'm saying. So anyway, this dude here. Alright, this is what we got here. Looks pretty stout. Looks like it's welded on the bottom. Sway bar link snapped. And so every time you make a turn, it clunks. The sway bar clunks off of this lower control arm here, or this deal, whichever. So this rod here, you can see it's a little wet. That's a future project. So anyways, this is your strut rod, and this particular model, your sway bar just it mounts to the strut rod. And I got these here. Very hard to find. Nobody. Okay. So that's what the original looks like. The broken shaft. Looks like it's spot welded on. I'm gonna have to cut this bushing off, it looks like. I'll just move it up out of the way for now. Worry about that later. Installed. No big deal. And this is what the original looked like. Looks like. So it's got a little bit of a thinner stud on it, but longer stud maybe. But yeah. There. Yeah, I guess it won't be that hard to get it out, get it back in. Now this dude, you don't want to come loose. Might need some gentle persuasion here. There we go. Now let's get this new guy in there. Make sure you spray PB Blaster all over your brakes. That'll make them work better. Not. Just kidding. the install. Here's the old one. Like I said, this one is like resist welded or spot welded to the bracket, and you can see this one here is not too far away from snapping. It's getting pretty thin right there. So ram resistance, dodge resistance something. Check them out. They seem pretty good.